Down East, heating and air conditioning, a family tradition of quality since 1986.
Keeping you comfortable in your home or business is why we do what we do. Stress and anxiety from a broken air conditioner are unavoidable. We understand, and that's why we're here to help. Whether it's the typical Carolina summer day or a chilly winter night, you can count on Down East Heating and Air Conditioning to keep you comfortable all year round. Down East offers HVAC repair, ductwork, ventilation, and full installation. We're here to provide the best indoor air quality you deserve. Down East is here for your home all the way around as well, with guttering services and installation. Down East will provide you with solutions to fit your needs. All you have to do is give us a call. We are here to get you fixed up and running again. In order to ensure you're comfortable and to help prevent future repairs, consider a service agreement with Down East, your Bryant factory authorized dealer. Now, imagine the next scorcher. Are you worried? I don't think so. Your AC unit will easily keep up with the heat thanks to Down East Heating and Air. Down East Heating and Air Conditioning has provided families and businesses with comfort solutions in the Carolinas since 1986. Join the Down East family today. Browse our website and give us a call.
Down East, heating and air conditioning, a family tradition of quality since 1986.